Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Kelsey. I just randomly decided to vlog, so that's what we're doing. We're doing a little vlog. I actually got ready today. I work from home, so sometimes I don't get ready. When I do have to coach at F45, then sometimes I put some makeup on, but sometimes I don't because I'm wearing a mask the whole time, and I feel like wearing a mask, you like can't really see your face, and it like doesn't really matter if you put makeup on or not. I don't know, sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't, but I don't have to coach at F45 tonight, and I just decided to get ready to make myself feel good. So that's what I did. I also got one of those crimpy things from Amazon, and I got it last night, so I wanted to try it. So that is what I did with my hair. I think I still need to work on actually doing it. I don't think I've like got it down, but I'm liking it so far. I think that it's cute. It's like a braid look. I am just working. I'm gonna take my lunch break walk shortly, so I think I'm actually gonna take you guys and do a little chat. I am drinking my coffee right now. I just have my pumpkin creamer. I'm on the pumpkin kick like everyone else is. We made it outside. It's super bright, so that's why I'm squinting. But I realized that I have a call at 1:30, so I can't do like a super long walk right now. So I'm just gonna walk for like 15 minutes, and then I'll probably walk when I'm done with work because I have to hop on that call at 1:30, and I have to like prepare for it a little bit beforehand. It's been really nice actually going out for my walks and getting into the habit of it and the routine of it. I was just talking about this on my Instagram story of like just working out in general, because I wake up at 4:10 to work out, and people always think that that's so crazy, but to me it's so normal. I've been doing it for so long that it's just like a part of my everyday routine. And I go to bed super early. I'm in bed like asleep by 9 o'clock every single night for the most part, so it's not like I'm staying up until like 12 or like, I don't know, most people stay up late I feel like, but everyone thinks it's crazy that I wake up at 4 to work out, but it's just so normal for me. So with that being said, you just have to figure out what works best for you. I'm such a morning person. I have the most energy in the morning, and it's just easier for me to work out in the morning because nothing can like really interrupt me during my workout, because no one's doing anything at 4:30 in the morning except for me working out. So nothing's gonna interrupt me. It's not like I would be working out after work and I have to work late, or like something comes up, or I have to go grocery shopping or run errands or something like that that could come up and like interfere with my gym time. So I like going in the morning because my day hasn't started yet. Nothing's gonna interfere with it, and I don't know, it's just what works best for me, and that's what you have to do. You just have to make it a part of your schedule, a part of your routine. Schedule out time for your workout just like you would if you had a meeting for work, or you had a nail appointment, or whatever it is that you usually schedule into your days. That's what you need to do for your workouts to be able to make it into a habit where you can do it every day and you're not skipping your workouts all the time. It's not like I'm motivated to go to the gym every single morning, and that's why I go every day. There are definitely times when I just really don't feel like it, or I'm just tired, but I still get up, I still get it done because it's scheduled in my day, and I know I'm gonna feel better after, even if it's, oh, sorry, this wind. I know I'm gonna feel better afterwards, even if it's not the best workout I've ever done or not the hardest I've ever worked. I'm still gonna feel good that I got up, I did it, I got some sort of movement in for the day, and it just helps me feel accomplished early on in the morning. So that's my tip for you guys. Schedule it in, make it a habit, put it in your routine just like you would with anything else, any other appointment you have. If you need that extra accountability, then workout classes are great. Getting a personal trainer is great, because then you are paying and someone else is gonna be there at that time. You're signing up for a class at that time and you have to be there because you signed up and you're paying for it. If you cancel, you're gonna get charged. Those are my tips to get to the gym every day and start out slow. Don't expect your first week to go to the gym 5 days a week and work out for an hour. Start out small, start with 1 day a week, then go to 2, then 3, work your way up, and you don't have to be in the gym for 6 hours to get a good workout in. I usually work out for like an hour to an hour and a half, depending on what I'm doing. Usually more like an hour 15 on a daily basis, but if I'm done with my workout early, then I just leave or I'll stretch or something like that. But I have gotten into the habit of walking, and even if I'm really busy with work, just taking the time to take a break from working for the day and get outside, walk, get some steps in since I sit at my desk all day, and just clear my head, get some movement in. So I've been getting a lot better at it. I've gone every single day this week and I went every day last week. Even if it's like 10 minutes, I'm still doing it and getting it in. Kyle's at the gym currently, so when he gets back, then I'll probably start dinner. But I figured I would show you guys what supplements I use and take, because I get questions on supplements a lot and I use a lot of the same stuff every single day. So I'm gonna show you guys my favorite stuff and what I use on a daily basis. So for vitamins in the morning, I take fish oil from BOWMAR. I take a multivitamin, which I just use the gummy multivitamins that you can get from like Target. Whenever I take multivitamins that are like pill form, they always make me nauseous, even if I eat them with food, but the gummy ones don't, and they taste really good. So I take the gummy multivitamins. And then what else do I take in the morning? I think that's it in the morning. I was taking the BOWMAR probiotics also, but I have to order more. So I would usually take that in the morning as well. All right, so in the morning, I always have my pre-workout. So I absolutely love pre-workout. I use 1 scoop because I'm kind of sensitive to caffeine. So I do 1 scoop. My favorite flavor is the sour gummy. It's so freaking good. It's by far the best pre-workout that I've ever had. So sour gummy is my go-to. Another one that I like is the watermelon. So this is the other flavor that I will use. So I have that in the morning, and then I also have my clear skin cocktail in the morning, which is my greens, which this is the lemon flavor. They do still have some of the old greens that are more of a banana flavor, but I like the lemon way better. And then mixed with that is the essentials, which are aminos and BCAAs. So my favorite flavor is the lemonade iced tea, and then I also really like the guava nectarine. These are my 2 favorites by far. So I do essentials, the greens, and then the last thing for the clear skin cocktail is the collagen, which is also amazing. Helps with your hair, your skin, your nails, all the good things. And then once I have a meal, I usually take this around like lunchtime. I take the joint 16 pills. I have a lot of joint issues from being a gymnast my whole life, so I just started taking these. No updates yet if they're doing anything. I think it's only like my 3rd day taking them, so I'll update you guys on these when I have a full feel of what they're doing. So I have my clear skin cocktail in the morning as well, and then I always have my protein powder, of course. So I have my protein powder after I work out, and then I also use it for my overnight oats, just because otherwise I would not get enough protein. So for no particular reason other than I love this flavor, I always have the vegan blueberry donut after I work out. This is my all-time favorite flavor. I don't have the vegan for any specific reason. I use the cinnamon roll whey protein, which doesn't have any different effect on me. some people are sensitive to whey protein, so for those people I recommend the vegan protein, but I just love the taste of this one. So this is definitely my first favorite flavor. I am waiting on the new flavor, which is the cinnamon. It's like cinnamon toast crunch type of flavor, which I'm so excited for because everyone's saying that it is better than vegan blueberry donut, which is very hard to do. And then my second favorite flavor right now is the chocolate almond coconut. This is really good in coffee. So a lot of times I will make coffee and I'll put half a scoop of this in instead of any sort of like flavoring or creamer. So this one is also really good. I have a feeling that the cinnamon crunch one will take over for this one, or possibly even the blueberry donut, which would be crazy because I've gone through like 5 tubs of these in a very short amount of time. The whey protein, my favorite flavor is the cinnamon roll. As you can see, I have the 5-pound tub because I use it all the time. I use it a lot for like baking stuff, pancakes, waffles. I always use it in my overnight oats. So this is really good for that. I usually don't just like drink this one. I use this one in food. And then the blueberry donut is the one that I will just like drink with water. Okay, that's everything that I take on a daily basis. But I did want to show you guys that BOWMAR has sample packets. So you can go on their website and get samples of pretty much anything. I actually just ordered a couple more samples to try out some new flavors because I love orange juice. So I want to try those out. And then I also got another flavor of pre-workout to try. I think it's the blackberry one that I got. But you can get samples of pretty much everything. You can get samples of the Sharp. I do have a tub of the Sharp back there. It's just like way in the back and I don't feel like getting it. I don't use it all the time just because it is, like I said, I'm pretty sensitive to caffeine. It's not that high of caffeine, but it has nootropics in it. I think that's how you say it, which is like a focusing agent. And it literally does work. The first time I took it, I took half a scoop and I was like, like kind of insane. So I don't take it that often. I'll take it when I have like something really big to do, if I have like a big project I'm doing or something like that, if I don't feel like having coffee, because they are like more like fruity types of flavors. So if I'm feeling that type of drink, then I'll do that. But I have the, I think it's strawberry pineapple of the Sharp, and then this is actually a kiwi lime flavor, which everyone says this is the best flavor of the Sharp. So I actually might try this sometime this week when I have a lot of stuff to do. So I'll probably only have half of it because I'll be crazy if I take a full sample of it. But yeah, you can get samples of the vegan proteins, the whey proteins, pretty much anything really. The fiber, I actually haven't tried this yet, which I want to try it. Maybe I'll try it tomorrow on my clear skin cocktail. But yeah, they have samples of pretty much anything, which is good. And you can get full sample packs so that you get a little bit of everything. You can try everything instead of getting them all individually, which is also great. So that is it for now. I'm going to start dinner now and watch some Beverly Hills Housewives. I'm obsessed. I've been flying through the seasons. I'm on season 5 right now and I'm just so invested in the drama that I need to catch up. I spent last night watching a lot of it, so I stayed up way too late, but at least tonight I don't have to coach at 45. I have Wednesdays off of coaching at 45, so I can go to bed early finally and still get some Housewives in because I'm gonna start watching it now while I cook dinner. Just got 2 more packages. It's been quite a package day, let me tell you. This one is from Target. I got 2 things from Target the other day. I got face lotion because I need a new nighttime face lotion and they didn't have it when I went to the store, so I just ordered it online. And then I also got mini pumpkins for under our TV. So I don't know if this is, I think this is only one thing. Oh wait, it's both things. I got like 2 shipping notices for them. So this is the nighttime face lotion that I got. It's the same brand as the other stuff that I just showed you. This one's just moisturizing, which I feel like I need a moisturizing one at night just because I'm using like the other acne products. And then this is what it looks like. It's kind of small. I thought it was gonna be bigger for some reason. I don't know. And then these are the little pumpkins. How cute are they? So I'm gonna put them in the little thing under the TV. I feel like I need another one. I feel like this isn't enough to fill that. I think I need another one of these. So there's that. My dinner that I made turned into something completely different than I originally planned, but I wanted to just take stuff that I had, stuff that was going bad, or just stuff that I've had in the cabinets that I haven't used. So I used an onion. I had a sweet onion. I had some bell peppers, some spinach, some chow mein noodles. I don't know why I bought chow mein noodles, but I'm using them now. So I threw it all into a pot. So I cooked the onion first, and then I threw in the peppers and the spinach, and then I cooked the chow mein noodles separately. And I threw them in the pot as well, and then I just added some less sodium soy sauce and a little bit of this teriyaki marinade that's less sodium, so it's like a little veggie stir fry type of thing we got going on. It smells good, so hopefully it tastes good, because I literally just threw random ingredients into a pot, and this is what we ended up with.